Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ cup? Welie aka gị elu. Aha. Chidebube. Gịnị wụ cup?
Cup
Chidebube, gịnị wụ cup?
bo iko.
Daalụ cup bụ iko. Chidebube zatara ya. Daalụ Chidebube. Okay. Let's see how well you're gonna do now. I'm going to share screen, and then I'm going to share everything we did. And don't forget, we did something called tongue twisters. And it's a contest. Okay, can everybody see it? Let me see if you guys can see my page. All right, so I'm sharing this page and you can see this page. Okay, so we have something called tongue twister last time. I told everybody to practice it. Who was able, tell me who is able to get it? Kedonye ga-ekute ya? Kedonye ma etu esi ekwu? Online here. Listen, see here. On the screen, we have aqua. 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 Okay, now, gekwanti ọzọ. The first one, number one, kizizi. Okay, nkembo, which is number one. Nkembo says, aqua, which is egg. Nkabo, meaning number two. Nkabo says aqua, which is bed. Nkato, which is aqua, clothes. Aqua, clothes. Nkano, which is number four. Nkano, aqua, crying. Now, and I told you guys to do this tongue twister contest, okay? If you get it, you win the prize. And you have to start by slowly, okay? By saying, Mwani. Now, let me make it big. See here. It says, Mwani na aqua aqua. E na aqua aqua. Na okuko yiri aqua. Na elu aqua. Ekwara aqua. No n'elu aqua. Okay, you need to learn it first. You need to learn it first before you start saying it fast. And for you to win it, you have to do it like this. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ịkwara akwa n'elu akwa. You have to say it like this 3 times without making any mistake, okay? So the contest continues, unless if somebody say, oh, Auntie, I'm ready to do it. If you're ready, let me know. So, but if you're not ready, keep practicing. When you're ready, I'll give you guys till ending of next month. Anybody who can do it will win it. I'm not telling you what the prize is gonna be, but practice it and learn it. All right, let's move on. Okay, here, the kitchen things, okay? Useku. Useku is kitchen. You can say useku, kitchen. Say Ghana useku. You tell your sibling, okay? My mom no na useku, meaning your mom is in the kitchen. So kitchen is called useku. Today, I want you to learn all these key points. Achorom ke motaya, kae motaya, okay? Achorom ka motaya, meaning I want you to learn. Learn all this. You have to let them, then we start making sentences like I gave you example. Useku is kitchen. Useku, useku, not useku. It's called useku. You see how I pronounce it? Useku. Now, cup is iko, iko. Gaweti iko, were iko. Okay, gaweta iko. Princess, it means princess, go get a cup. Gaweta iko, bia were iko means come and take a cup. Bia were iko, come and take a cup, okay? Plate, see that? Plate. Efere, some people call it afere. It is the sentence. Plate, efere, You can call it afere if it's your dialect. That is fine. Okay? Call it afere, whatever your parents or whatever your people call it. That's fine. Efere. Gasa efere nenna. Gasa efere tukwode. Go wash the plate. Okay? Spoon. Spoon is ngaji. Spoon, ngaji. Okay? Enwerem ngaji. I have a spoon. Enwerem ngaji. Inwere ngaji means you have a spoon. Biawere ngaji. Biawere ngaji. Come and get a spoon. Weta ngaji. Weta means to bring it. Okay? Now, fork. Even though, yes, we do call it, Igbo people still call it fork, but you have to say it in Igbo. But the real name of fork is ndodo. It's something that you poke, you use it to pick something. Ndodo, ndodo, ndodo. That's what it's called. It's dodo. You make the sound with your inner throat. Dodo, dodo. Okay. All right. Now, we have machete. I know some of you call it machete. Machete. It's machete, okay? Which is the big knife, the big machete, okay? The big knife. Okay, that one is not a kitchen knife. The kitchen knife is mma eku. Remember, kitchen is called useku. 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 So kitchen knife is called mma eku, but mma is what you call knife. Knife is mma. It's not mma. There's another name called mma. That's beauty. Somebody is beautiful, something that is good, something that is nice. It's mma. Omara mma. It is beautiful. Omara mma. Beautiful. But what we are talking about is mma. They are the same spelling, but they're two different things. They have different sounds and different meaning. Okay. Now we have ahihia. Ahihia is called vegetable. Ahihia is vegetable, which means nke itoolu, number 9 here. Number 9 is vegetable. Ahihia. See that? Nke itoolu. Ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya ite naanị maọbụ iteghete. Nke ite naanị, nke itoolu. Okay? 9 is itoolu maọbụ ite naanị maọbụ iteghete. Okay. Ahịhịa nri. Ahịhịa nri. Ahịhịa nri is vegetable. Pot. Pot means ite. Pot, ite. Pot, ite. Pot, ite. All right. Chair is oche. Chair, oche. Broom is called aziza. Broom, aziza. Broom, aziza. Okay. Let me pause this a little bit. I hear something beeping. Just 1 second. I want to make sure I want to know what is going on. Just give me a second. Let me pause the recording a little bit. So we said pot, ite, chair, oche, broom, aziza. Outside is ezi. Ghana ezi means go outside. Batana ulo means to come inside. Batana ulo means to come inside. Puana ezi, go outside. Puana ezi, go outside. Batana ulo means to come inside. Okay? When you hear somebody say, puana ezi, it means to go outside. You can also hear, Ghana azulo. Ma pụọ na azụ ụlọ. Azụ ụlọ means backyard. Azụ ụlọ, backyard. But when I say pụọ na ezi, it means to go outside. When I say batana ụlọ means to come inside the house, okay? All right. Now, okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite is the pot lid, the pot cover or the lid. Okwuchi only. Oh boy, guys, 1 second. 1 second. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so we say that the pot cover is okwuchi, the pot cover, okay? Okwuchi ite. But if any lid, any cover at all is okwuchi, something that is used to cover something, okay? It's okwuchi. But if it's just for the pot, if you're talking about the pot, it's okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. Now, who will tell me? I need somebody to tell me what I said you called a broom. If you know it, meaning if you know it, raise your hand. Okay. Broom. Okay. Let me unmute you. Let me unmute Nwokage. Ngwa. Unmute yourself, Nwokage.
Broom is Aziza.
No, don't say broom is. I want you to say broombo. It means broom is. So I want you to say it in Igbo. Broombo.
Broombo Aziza.
Koyazo means say it again. Koyazo.
Broombo Aziza.
Aziza. Can you say Aziza?
Aziza.
Yes, darling. Yeah, broombo Aziza. All right. Kedonya gagwa ihe a na-akpọ chair. If you know it, raise your hand. Gịnị bụ chair? Kedu onye ga-agwa ihe a na-akpọ chair? Ị mara ya, welie aka gị elu. Gịnị bụ chair? Welie aka gị elu ma ọ bụ na ịma ya. Onwe onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ chair. Hey, oh my God. What? Chair bụ oche. Oh, okay, I see people raising hand. Chair bụ oche. Gaa bute oche. Gaa bute oche. Gaa bute oche. Chair bụ oche. Oche. All right. Now let's keep going. I'm going to be throwing some questions out. Okay? Chair bụ oche. Now, kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ the pot cover? Who tell me what is a pot cover? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ pot cover? Ị mara ya, welie aka gị elu. Gịnị wụ pot cover? The cover of a pot. Gịnị ka ọ wụ? Kedu onye ma ya, welie aka gị elu. Only one person in this class? No, okay, you've told us before. You're doing a good job. No, another person. I want another person. He's not the only person in this class. I need another person to tell me. Gene pot cover. Okay, you go ahead. Raise your hand again since you are the only person in this class. Okay, unmute yourself, okay, and tell us what it is.
Okuchi ite.
I want you to say pot cover bo. Okuchi ite.
Pot cover bo okuchi ite.
Dalo, okay, dalo. All right, so let's keep going. You need to pay attention, everybody. You have to pay attention. I don't have only one person in this class. I have a lot of you in this class. You're supposed to know. You're supposed to listen because you're not taking notes. When I finish, I'm going to post it. You're not supposed to be writing. All you need to do in this class is to listen to me. Pay attention. And if you pay attention, you will learn something, okay? Listen attentively means gente, gente, listen, gente. Listen. Gente. I will ask this question, so you better listen to me. Gemo nte means listen to me. Gemo nte. Otara. Listen to me. Gente. Gente means to listen. Gente means listen. All right. Okay, so now we have fire. Fire again. Oku. Fire or light means oku. Now I can say Monachi gbanyụọ ọkụ. Izunna gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put the light off, which is to go turn the switch off. Gbanyụọ, listen, we have two of them now. Gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put it off. Gbanye ọkụ. Gbanye ọkụ means to put it on. Gbanye. The other one is gbanyụọ. The other one is gbanye. Now, so you need to know which one is to put it on, which one is to put it off. There are two different things. So some of you is struggling now. Which one is to put it on? To put it on is gbanye. Gbanye. To put it off is gbanyụọ. You see the sound, they're not the same. Gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put it off. Gbanye ọkụ is to put it on. Ziena, ga gbanye ọkụ means to put it on. Okay, Chukwudi, ga gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put it on. Maybe the stove is on, and then I'll tell you, ga gbanyụọ ọkụ means to put the stove off. So fire means light. Mob. Fire is, okay, it could be like ọkụ can be the fire, can be the light. Okay, depending on how you made the sentence. Okay, so gbanye ọkụ means put the light on. Gbanyụọ ọkụ is to put it off. I cannot stress it enough. I'm going to ask you the question. Who will tell me what it means to say, listen, listen, listen? What is listen? Raise your hand if you know it. Gịnị bụ listen? Chimde, Chimde, ngwa gịnị bụ listen?
Listen bụ gee ntị.
Gee ntị, kedu onye kwuru ya? Who answered it?
Chimdi.
Chimde, daalụ, daalụ. All right. Now we have light fire. When I tell you to go light the fire, it means munye ọkụ. Now, it's not the same thing as gbanye ọkụ. Gbanye ọkụ is to put it on, switch it on. Gbanye ọkụ is to switch it off or go put it off, okay? To put the light off. Now, when I say light fire, munye ọkụ, okay? Munye is like awesome, okay? Like you go and put the light on, put the fire on. So when I say light fire, I basically say to you, munye ọkụ, munye ọkụ, okay, go burn the house down. You go munye ọkụ, ga munye ọkụ n'ụlọ. You see that? It's like putting the fire in the house. That's what you did. Okay, so light the fire. Some people say light the fire, maybe on the stove, okay? Ga munye ọkụ na usekwu or stove. All right? So munye ọkụ. Now soap. Soap bụ ncha. Dish soap is ncha. Ncha. Ga wetara m ncha. Ga wetara m ncha. Ga wetara m ncha means get me a soap. Cotton board is mbibi. Cotton board. You use it to shove vegetable, onions, and all kinds of things, okay? Mbibi. Scoop. The scoop is eku. The scoop is eku. The sponge. Sponge is obo. Sponge you use to wash pot and plates and every spoons is obo. Obo. Rag. This is a funny one. is nkereka akwa. Rag is nkereka akwa. See it here? We have rag. Nke iri abụọ na atọ, number 23. Rag is nkereka akwa. Nkereka akwa. Stove. Stove is okpukpu ọkụ. Okpukpu ọkụ. Okpukpu ọkụ. Now, who will tell me what is soap? What is soap? Emara ya weli aka gị elu. Gịnị bụ soap? Gịnị bụ soap? Okay, Chidebube, gịnị bụ soap? Where's Chidebube? Okay, Chidebube, unmute yourself. Gịnị bụ soap? Chidebube, gịnị bụ soap? Unmute yourself. Do you know how to unmute yourself? Chidebube, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Izunna, unmute yourself. Chidebube is not unmuting himself. Izunna, unmute yourself.
Soap.
Soap again.
Soap nke.
Soap ncha. Can you say that?
Ncha. Soap ncha.
Ncha. Can you say ncha?
Ncha.
No, ncha.
Ncha.
Yeah, daalụ. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ sponge? Who will tell us what is sponge? Gịnị bụ sponge? Kedu onye raise your hand? Mara ya welie aka gị elu. Aha. No, Izunna and Chidebube. No, let's ask another person. Lower your hand. I need others in this class. We have a lot of people in this class, so I need them to answer too. Gịnị bụ sponge? Gịnị bụ sponge? Onwere onye ma ihe bụ sponge bụ ogbo. Sponge bụ ogbo. Sponge, ogbo. Sponge, ogbo. Okay. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ plate? This one is simple, right? Kedu ihe bụ plate?
Apple.
I need to raise your hand. Will you and tell your name? Okay. Afere is plate. Somebody answered it. Afere is plate. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe bụ rag? What is rag?
Rag bụ nkirika akwa.
Kedu onye na-ekwunu? Kedu aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Afa m bụ Oluchi.
Oluchi. Okay. Rag bụ gịnị?
Rag bụ nkirika akwa.
Nkirika akwa. Nkirika akwa. Can you say that?
Nkirika akwa.
Okay, so not nkirika aqua, it's nkirika aqua. Good, dalo. All right. Gịnị bụ, okay, we have soup. Gịnị bụ soup? Gịnị bụ soup?
Soup bụ ofe.
Ofe, kedu aha gị?
Afa m bụ Oluchi.
Oluchi, dalo. Now, Oluchi, you are not going to answer anymore. Another person. Gịnị bụ kitchen knife? Kedu onye ga-agwa ihe bụ kitchen knife? Gịnị bụ kitchen knife? Onwego onye ma ihe bụ kitchen knife? Oh, nwoke eji gịnị bụ kitchen knife? Unmute yourself. Everybody, you can unmute yourself and answer the question when it's your turn. Nwoke eji gịnị bụ kitchen knife?
Mma ekwu.
Mma ekwu. Can you say mma ekwu?
Mma ekwu.
Okay, good. Ga wetara m mma ekwu. Next week, I'm going to give you guys homework because you need to tell me how to say them. Ga weta mma ekwu. Bịa were mma ekwu. I will send that a homework but I need you guys now to learn the names of all these. Then we start making sentences. Okay. Genebo. Genebo. Fire. Kedonya might have a fire. Genebo fire. Onwoga might have a fire. Wow, fire bụ ọkụ. Okay, I saw Tochi raising his hand. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, gịnị bụ cotton board? Kedu onye ma ihe bụ cotton board? Kedu onye ma ihe bụ cotton board? Cotton board bụ eku, mbibi. Cotton board mbibi. So who remember what I said is called eku? Gịnị bụ eku? Okay, Tochi. Gịnị bụ eku?
Cutting board.
No, cotton board is mbibi. Eku is scoop. Scoop is eku. Okay. All right. So we stop here. We post it, and I want you guys to go over and know all of them. When we come to class next time, I'm going to be calling you guys, asking you questions. And you have to tell me all of them. Everybody should know everything. I call your name and ask you, what is this? What is that? And you have to answer all of them, all the way to 24. Make sure you know it. Everybody know what they are called. And then we start making sentences with them. All right? Onwere nwere ajụjụ. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ tata. Okay. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Nwoke ji gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị? Nwoke ji na-eweli aka gị elu, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị?
What's number 12?
Number 12 is 12 means iri na abụọ. Broom, azịza. Broom means number 12. You want to know what the number is called?
Oh, no, I missed it when I was writing notes.
Oh, okay. It's aziza. Broom, which is aziza. Aziza. And then the other sound for aziza means question. You see, I put it there. Aziza is a question. Aziza is broom. Aziza, question. Aziza, broom. Okay. Onwanye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Okay. Ngwanụ, aga m ezipụta ya. When I send it out, some of you, you don't have phone. Your parents are the ones to print it out and you learn it. Don't forget to ask your mom or dad to print the class note out. But I'm going to post it out after I finish all my classes. I have another class today. So look out for it this evening, okay? Everybody look out for it, okay? All right. I need to hear everybody tell me, Cardio. I want to hear everybody telling me, Cardio, KMSL or Cardio. Okay, Cardio.
Audio.
All right.
Audio.